can't shake the feeling. I'm a real man, I'ma cover all my children. Started from the bottom, I'ma show them where the top
Give you a
at.
synopsis of our topic. So today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna talk about the man cave. The man cave is dangerous, dog. It is absolutely dangerous. I'm talking about the man cave. This is one of the hottest topics that when we had our session, this is one of the that we have had yet. In all the years that we've been doing it, the man cave was the most deep one that we have had. The reason why the man cave was so deep, man, is because everybody can relate that was in that room. The place where you just go and you just say, you know what, I'm giving up on life. I'm telling you to stay away from the cave. Because once you get sucked into that cave, you know what happens. Once you get in that cave, there's a lot of times no turning back. Because you know in that man cave, you already, and I'm not talking about, hold up, you like, dude, I got me a man cave. I already understand. I'm not talking about your man cave when your dudes come over and you watching the game and y'all playing pool. I'm not talking about that one. The one I'm talking about is the one that's dangerous. The one where you have all of the negative things that destroy your life at your disposal. Down in that cave, I'm talking about your weed. In that cave, I'm talking about your drugs. In that cave, I'm talking about your sex addiction. In that cave, I'm talking about all the things that destroys you. I'm not talking about what destroys your mans. I'm talking about the thing that destroys you. Because a lot of times what make you go in that man cave is different for me than it is for you. You mean a failed marriage, losing a job, losing your life savings, you mean losing a woman of your dreams. There's multiple reasons that will cause you to go in that man cave. And I'm just calling you, admonishing you, man, to come and don't go into that cave because it's extremely dangerous. Me, I decided that I am going to dominate fatherhood. People talking about dominating the game of football, basketball, dominating all types of games. But what I'm trying to dominate is this fatherhood thing. What I'm trying to dominate is this husband thing. Because if I dominate that area, you know what I mean? Everything else will fall in line. So I'm admonishing you, man, to do everything that you can do not to go into that cave. You have to get around like-minded others. You have to be responsible for people. Hey, start coming to man to man. You know what I mean? Hit me up. Hit me on the DM, man. You know what I mean? Get you somebody that can help you because we all need somebody to hold us accountable. We can't do that thing alone, man. Because I already know, homeboy. I've been married for 15 years. My wife loves me and I love her, but I still got people that I go to that I can get some wisdom from, that I can go and get knowledge from. Because, dude, you know, being married, it's a job, baby. And, you know, I love my wife. My wife loves me. We have a beautiful marriage. But the only way it stays, you know, beautiful the way it is that we have people that we are accountable for. And we work on that thing on purpose. I can't help other people if I can't help my family. So I had to come from up out of the cave, man. You know what I mean? My wife had to call me out like, dude, you're not going to stay in that place and just come on out. This your boy, Shon, man. I love you. I want you to live your best life, man. You know, don't be average, be elite.